Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a value-focused smartphone, the T-Mobile Revvl 8 Pro. We will cover the price, the key specs, the real-world performance, and whether it is worth picking up. Let's jump in. According to the Metro by T-Mobile listing, the phone is currently priced at $19.99 for new customers. If you bring your number over, you can get it for $0. The original price was about $249.99. The pricing is strong, but what about the hardware? Here are the main specs. Display, a 6.8-inch FHD plus AMOLED panel. Processor, a Qualcomm Snapdragon, 6 Gen 3 chip. Memory and storage, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, plus support for up to 2 TB through micro SD. Rear cameras, a 50-megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro. Front camera, 32-megapixel. Battery and charging, 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. Extras, 5G support, IP67 rating, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. So how does all of that translate to real-world use? The 6.8-inch AMOLED display is great for streaming and multitasking. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, paired with 8 GB of RAM, offers smooth everyday performance. The 50-megapixel main camera with stabilization helps produce steadier shots, especially in low-light situations. The 5,000 mAh battery provides all-day use, and the 33-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging are solid perks at this price. The IP67 rating and expandable storage up to 2 TB also add extra value. Of course, there are a few limitations. The ultra-wide and macro cameras are lower resolution. Charging is good, but not flagship level. Build quality is not on the same level as premium devices, and the $0 offer depends on port-in and specific plan requirements. In the end, the T-Mobile Revvl 8 Pro is a strong option for anyone wanting a budget-friendly phone with a large display, solid main camera, good battery life, and useful extras like wireless charging and water resistance. It offers impressive value, especially if you can take advantage of the $0 deal. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content. Let me know in the comments whether you would use the Revvl 8 Pro as your main phone or as a backup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.